Hello! In this video I will unbox the MAXIFY GX3000 and 4000 series and show some additional information. These devices may have different names in different regions or countries, but most of the specs and features are similar. I put the model names of both models on the screen. In some regions, 5G network is not supported and out-of-the-box ink bottles may be smaller. I will show the following in this video. For the detailed product review on these models, check the video part 1 in the upper right corner of the screen. In the first part, I show what is in the box after unboxing. You will find the printer, the ink bottles and power cable, hard copy manuals in different languages and setup CD, and finally warranty and safety documents. You can watch my full unboxing later in the video and find unboxing playlist in the upper right corner of the screen. These printers in general have very little waste as only plastic bottles are thrown away. In the next part I would like to point out the waste after unboxing. With this MAXIFY series you find no more styrofoam packaging. The devices are packed using molded paper, so after unboxing you find very little plastic waste. And some recycled plastic is used by producing these devices. Next, I display the dimensions. First, the dimensions of the box. And then let's see how much space is needed to use the product. Find the official specs with the trays retracted on the screen. When using them, there's a little bit more space needed. There is front tray, rear paper tray and automatic document feeder. With the trays extended, you find the official specs on the screen, but I measure some of the dimensions. Most extra space you'll need when using the rear flat tray, which can take thick and heavy media. And detailed video on printing from this tray you find in the upper right corner of the screen. In the next minutes of the video you can watch unboxing of the GX3000 model, as GX4000 is very similar. It only has additional telephone cable for the fax. The rest of the content is the same. In different regions you may find different size of color setup ink bottles. On the warranty card you find the expected lifetime of the print head. The print head is already in the MAXIFY device, so you don't need to install it on the installation. And here is the difference when unboxing the GX4000 model, which has fax, so you find two cables, power cable and fax telephone cable. Finally, I prepare both devices for the printer and network setup, which I cover in the next videos. The difference between these two models is also the display, so the installation procedure is a little bit different. And you find links in the description. Devices are ready for setup, and that would be all in this video. In the next videos about these models, I do the copy video with the speed test, then I will install the drivers and software, and there will be a detailed video about using the flat tray. And if you subscribe and turn on the bell, you will be notified when I upload. Find more about printers on my channel and more about MAXIFY GX in the playlist. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!